If you want to grow on YouTube using powerful AI tools, subscribe to Wesley right now and don't miss the future. He shows the best AI tools, real tips, and how to grow fast on YouTube. Search Wesley now and subscribe before you fall behind.
If you think you need expensive tools to create long AI videos, you're wrong. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to generate long cinematic videos using completely free AI tools. You'll learn how to create the perfect image, turn it into smooth motion, extend your video scene by scene, and edit it for maximum reach. And at the end, I'll share 2 secret settings that can boost your views without spending a single dollar. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate long videos using free AI tools. And I'll teach you everything step by step: the best AI image generator, how to get perfect motion, how to write the best prompts, and most importantly, how to edit your video the right way. For image generation, I'm going to use ImageFX. Before you generate your image, make sure the aspect ratio is correct. I'm choosing 16:9. Now go to ChatGPT, get your prompt, paste it into ImageFX, and click Generate. Alright, now we've got our image. And look, the image is exactly what we described in the prompt. Now here's the best part. To generate long videos, you do not need to generate multiple images. So now let's move on to video generation. For video generation, I'm going to use Grok AI. If you want unlimited Super Grok for free, I already have a full video on my channel, and I'll also pin it here. Now go to Grok AI, upload your image, then take the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click Generate. And it will create a video like this.
If you want to grow on YouTube using powerful AI tools, subscribe to Wesley right now and don't miss the future.
Now here's what you need to do next. Go to your Downloads folder and open the video. Go to the very last frame, then find the video section and click Snapshot. It will automatically save a high-quality image of that final frame. Now go back to ChatGPT and upload that snapshot. Then tell ChatGPT what you want to happen next. It will write a ready-to-copy prompt for you. Now copy that prompt, go back to Grok AI, upload the new image, paste the prompt, and generate again. And now you'll get another video like this.
He shows the best AI tools, real tips, and how to grow fast on YouTube.
Now let's talk about editing, because this part is extremely important if you want your video to go viral. So follow me and don't skip, because I'm about to give you 2 secret settings that can boost your video without spending any money. Secret tip number 1. When you export your video, save it using the exact title you plan to upload. Do not rename the file after export, because renaming it before export and renaming it after export are not the same. Secret tip number 2. Target one audience country first. Then find their evening time and schedule your upload exactly during that time. That's it. Now you know how to generate long AI videos for free and how to boost your results. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe right now. I post step-by-step AI tutorials that actually work. And don't forget to check the video I pinned. It shows how to unlock even more powerful AI tools for free. I'll see you in the next one.